Welcome back. Yeah, my name is Nsika Kakwan. I'm the lead tutor of Noah Digital Academy and the CEO of Noah Enterprise. We're still on the topic how to start with zero capital, and this is going to be our last episode in this topic. Now, having gathered knowledge, made yourself reachable or searchable, you've worked on your marketing, this aspect, okay, I don't know if it was supposed to come somewhere in between, but also get this. Your skill is just, how do I put it? It's just your raw material for your success. I'll come again. Your skill is just a raw material for your success. You need other skills, you need other resources, you need other materials to ensure you get to the success. So, for example, we have crude oil, which is a raw material, and we need to make petrol. In order to have petrol, we need equipment to do for it to pass through the process of refining, that's fractional distillation. You need equipment, you need what's it called? You need some other additives to ensure the separation goes well. Like, you need a whole lot for that process to be completed. Then you have petrol at the end. That is how your skill is. After your skill, you need other skills that's going to ensure you are able to make yourself marketable. You're able to deliver to the audience. For example, you could need, let's say you have the ability to program, you can build websites, that's your skill. Now, how do you get people to know you? You need the skill of copywriting, you need the skill of public speaking, you need the skill of marketing, perhaps digital marketing. So you need all of these skills to make sure you are well positioned. I repeat the word positioned, so that you are able to properly reach your audience, and when they see you, they are not seeing you as an hungry person. So you should be well positioned, you should be well equipped to be able to handle or to move yourself to the level where you look forward to. So gather all the skills that is needed, all the equipment. Look, invest in yourself. Now, there is a point you get to that you know that you should start spending money in knowledge. After the first stage of your learning, look, there are professionals and there are professionals, you understand? There's a difference between a master's degree holder and a professor. So what you want to do is to move yourself from just being a master's degree holder in your skill, of course, I believe you understand what I mean, to being a professor. Make sure you are able to don't stop learning. Keep pushing yourself, keep gathering knowledge. Then respect association, respect relationship. Build relationships strategically. Build relationship, because what people can do for you in a space of 1 year, struggling by yourself or hustling by yourself, you may not attain it in 5 years. If you can get the right relationship, if you can meet the right people, you can prove yourself worthy. I tell you, what people will do for you. I'm not talking about people giving you money. I'm talking about people introducing you to people. That is very serious in business. It's very paramount. In fact, that is where growth happens. People being able to recommend you to other people, because for a person to recommend you to another, he is taking his reputation, he's taking his integrity, but he needs to trust you. That's why he needs to trust you before he can do such recommendation. Now, so until you have serviced a relationship to the extent that you can be trusted, there is no chance of you getting such recommendation. And there is an amount of money you will never make. Listen and listen good. There is an amount of money you will never make by just running Facebook ad. There's an amount of money you will never make by running Instagram and YouTube ad. It will take someone to introduce you to someone before you make such amount of money. The people that have the real money, listen, the people that have the real money, they are not spending their time surfing Facebook and Instagram. They are too busy with their business and engagement. As such, it will take someone to introduce you to them before they will give you an opportunity to do one or two things for them. Listen, this is very paramount. And if you can deliver a job or two for people of this class, I can assure you, in less than a year, you will see very magnificent growth, impact, and everything you can think of in your business and finance. Thank you. We're going to close this episode here. I hope you're enjoying it.